guys, so today's video is a hair care video and I'm going to be testing out the power of eggs to condition your hair in this video. So I recently came across this egg infused hair care range which is by Mamaearth. This is their Eggplex range and this consists of two products. The first one is this Mamaearth Eggplex shampoo and the second one is this Mamaearth Eggplex conditioner. And both of these products are enriched with egg protein, collagen and keratin. Egg protein helps to repair damaged hair, it helps to reduce hair fall and promotes hair growth. Collagen helps to prevent hair thinning and it also helps to strengthen your hair. And keratin helps to smoothen out your hair, giving you smoother and softer and shinier hair. So I'm going to be doing a side-by-side comparison of the Eggplex range versus real egg, and I'm going to be applying this Eggplex conditioner on this side of my hair for the length of my hair, and for this side I'm going to be using real egg before I shampoo my hair, because it's something that you're supposed to use pre-shampoo and not post-shampoo, because then the egg will not really come off and it's going to leave that smell and that stickiness. So you have to use it as a pre-conditioner. And on this side where I'm going to be using the Eggplex conditioner, I'm going to use it after I shampoo my hair, because that's when you're supposed to use a conditioner. And to shampoo my hair on both sides, I'm going to be using this Mamaearth Eggplex shampoo. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom about to shampoo my hair, but before that let me just show you the texture of my hair. And as you can see, my hair looks so damaged. It looks very rough and dry and dull, and this is the perfect time to condition it using an egg. So I'm just taking an egg, breaking it into this bowl and whisking it really well until it becomes a little fluffy. So I'm going to be applying the egg on this side. So the other side of my hair, I'm just tying it all up so that it doesn't become all messy. Okay, so I'm starting off with the process. I'm applying the egg to the length of my hair, and quite honestly this is the first time ever that I'm doing this, and the entire process feels very messy because the egg is all over the floor, it's all over my clothes, and the texture of this egg is like really sticky and it smells so bad. But I'm still going ahead with it, applying it all over the length of my hair, even to the ends of my hair really generously, and this is what the texture looks like. I'm waiting for about 10 minutes for the egg to condition my hair, and then untying the other side of my hair and going ahead with the shampoo process. So firstly I'm just removing the egg with water and also wetting the other side of my hair, and then using this Mamaearth Eggplex shampoo. The shampoo is lathering up really well, and even though it's an Eggplex shampoo, it does not smell anything like eggs, but the smell is really nice and it has definitely helped to cover up the bad smell of eggs. So I'm just shampooing all over my scalp and also taking it down to the length of my hair to clean it and to remove the egg, and then rinsing off my hair. The shampoo has managed to remove all of that egg from my hair, but the smell of eggs is so strong and powerful that a little bit is still left. So I'm just removing all the excess water from my hair, and now I'm going to be conditioning the other side of my hair using this Mamaearth Eggplex conditioner. The texture of this conditioner is like really smooth and it's really thick. So I'm applying the conditioner on the length of my hair on the other side, and the smell of this conditioner is really nice. It does not smell anything like eggs. So I'm massaging the conditioner really well into the length of my hair and also on the ends, and I'm just waiting for about 5 minutes for the conditioner to condition my hair, and now I'm just rinsing it off with water, gently patting my hair and letting it air dry. Okay, so I'm done with the entire process, and it was so time consuming because I had to apply the egg, wait for a bit, shampoo, condition this side, wait for a bit, and it took so much time. But here I am, and this is what my hair looks after drying, and as you can see there is a slight difference in both of the sides. So this side, if you see, the side looks much more smoother and much more frizz-free than this side. This side also looks like quite smooth and quite silky, but thoda sa na frizziness hai, but on this side you can't really see the frizziness. So this is the difference that both of the sides have, and quite visibly Mamaearth Eggplex conditioner has done a much better job than a real egg, because we had to apply the real egg before we could shampoo and not after we shampoo, because you know egg ki jo smell hoti hai wo nahi nikalti, like my hair still smells a little bit like egg, not so much but a little bit like egg. So the smell is like really strong, and my hair was very sticky. I just had to like shampoo it really well to get all of that egg off my hair. So the process of like using an egg on your hair, I feel like it's a lot of hassle, and it just gets so messy because I had the egg like all over my bathroom floor and like all over the counter, and like I had to clean everything up. And then again, like the smell of it like kept bothering me throughout, like while I was having a bath. So applying an egg on your hair, even though it gives you amazing results on your hair, but बहुत ज़्यादा messy हो जाता है. But I feel like a product which contains egg, like a conditioner like this that contains egg, is just so much more easier and so much more hassle free to use. It just does not get messy. It does not smell like egg at all. It smells very subtle, it smells nice, and it does not smell like egg at all. So that's the best part. So you can see for yourself the results. Definitely like the Eggplex conditioner has given me better results because we use this post shampooing, but nevertheless it's like beaten the egg wala side. So if you want to apply egg and get all the benefits of egg for your hair, then this is a very good way of using egg on your hair. I really like this Mamaearth Eggplex conditioner. It worked really well for my hair, as you can see. And overall, this side of my hair is the result of using the shampoo and conditioner combined. So it gives you amazing results, and the best part is that you can use them guilt free every single time that you want to shampoo and condition your hair, because they're free from parabens and sulfates, which is the best part. They're suitable for all hair types, and they're dermatologically tested as well. So I really enjoy the overall experience of using both of these products. The shampoo lathers up really well and it cleanses your hair really well, and the conditioner just makes your hair feel so conditioned, so smooth, soft, silky, shiny, manageable. Like it just makes your hair beautiful. So I really like both of these products, and whenever I feel like applying an egg on my hair, I'm definitely going to be using the Eggplex conditioner because it's given me real egg wale results, actually even better than that, without like going through the hassle of applying an egg and things getting all messy with it. So I really recommend you guys check out this Mamaearth Eggplex conditioner, also the Eggplex shampoo, because it's like a two-step process that you need to follow. And the shampoo conditioner combo is one of its kind because my hair has never felt so soft before. So I highly recommend you guys check out these products. They're available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, or you can shop them from Mamaearth's website or their app, where if you use my coupon code Riya 2022, you'll get a 20% off. If you shop from Mamaearth's website, they'll link your order to a treat that they planned, and if you want to shop from their app, then you can get early access to sales and discounts, and you can save on more money. So that was my comparison on Mamaearth Eggplex range versus real eggs, and the results are pretty evident. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more such comparisons. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.